Hello friends, good evening all of you. Today's video we are going to see it's a very important concept that is called as a transportation problem in optimization technique. This is a discrete mathematics paper. So already I told you in discrete mathematics we have optimization techniques, very important techniques. So from this part, last part, sure we will get 2 to 3 questions. Okay. So transportation problem also one of the very important MCQ. Okay, we can move on to the concept. What is transportation problem? So transportation problem is a special type of linear programming problem that determines the most economical way transporting goods from multiple resources and multiple destinations while satisfying supply and demand constraints. So here objective what means minimize the total transportation cost while meeting all supply and demand requirements. So this is the definition. Actually they will ask you is some and they will tell us to work out the sum. That's all. Okay, first we will see the sum. Consider the following. They have given source and supply and demand they have given. So question the transportation cost in the initial basic feasible solution of the above transportation problem using Vogel's approximation method. So this is the one of the name we need to identify Vogel approximation method actually. Okay, now first in the sum we need to consider whether supply and demand is equal or not. You can check it here 35 plus 50 85. 85 so just 85 125 and 150 is there. 150 is there. Okay, here 30, 40, 70, 70 or the 110, 115, 115 is a 150. So total supply and demands are 150, 150. It's not a problem. This is a balanced one that we have to check. Otherwise, we need to balance this one. That's next sum. We will see the technique actually, how we are going to balance. Okay, this is the first sum. Okay, now we are going to do the sum actually. First one, just I'll work out and I'll tell you because I have done here. This is the concept, everything I have done. It's a handwritten format. But anyway, we need to work out separately while doing this video. Otherwise, we can't understand the sum. So I will work out here just to kindly check whether you understood or not. The same thing which you understand. If it's not understanding, already I told you we have live session also sometimes and we will through WhatsApp group also we can learn. Okay, now I'll tell you, I will write this one table. Just you can write this table, but little bit we need space actually. I'll try to write this one within this this one. Okay, now you can see this is a four thing. First 8 6 10 9, 8 6 10 9 and 9 12 and 13 7. Just a half I'm going to take, then I'll show you which I have written already. So 14 9 16 5, next one 11 7 8 10. So what we have 35 we have and 50 we have, next one 40 we have, next 25 in this supply. Demand we have 30 and 40 and 45 and 35. It's not good while showing this. Just 1 second, I will rub and I'll write properly. 30 and 40. Oh, 30 and 40. Okay, 30 and 40. Okay, now I'll make some other color because it has to identify properly, otherwise okay, now we have to check here. We can put one line stress here and here. Now in this line 8 6 10 9, which one is two minimum numbers? First two minimum numbers you can take. Which one is two minimum? 6 and 8. What is the difference? 6 to 8, 2 is the difference. Okay, you can take. Next one, here which one is minimum? 7 and 9 minimum. So what is the difference? 2 is different. So here which one is minimum? 5 and 9 is a minimum. What is the difference? 4 is the difference. Okay, so here what is the difference actually? This one 8 and 7 and 8. This is one is the difference. So here you can make it 8 and 9. 8 9 difference 1 and 9 7 difference 7 9 difference 2 and here 8 10 difference minimum number I am taking 8 minimum 10 next to 10 difference next to minimum 10. 8 10 difference 2 and 5 7 difference 2. So now from this numbers, rows and columns, which one is maximum number? We found this is a 4 is the maximum number. In fourth row, which one is minimum number? 5 or 16, 9, 14? 5 minimum. In this 5 minimum value, 35 I have, 40 we have. So 35 minimum value, I can write 35 here. Just you can erase it, and here you can write minimum 5. Okay, now this column fully we can erase. Okay, this is first one we need to understand. Okay, next one here again we can go next line. So here what is minimum? 682 minimum. And here which was minimum? 9 and 12. So 9 and 12, 3 will be. So here 9 and 14. So 9 and 14 means is coming 5. So next to 7, 8 means 1. So here 8, 9 means 1. Here 7 and sorry 6 and 7 means 1. And here 8 and 10 means 2. That's all. This is no, nothing is there. We have cancelled. Now 5 is the maximum. Now in this value 9 is minimum. So here 5 is there. So 5 we can put 5, cancel. Here 35 remaining you can write. Okay, 5 we have taken from this one. So this full row we can erase it. Now again you can do this one. So which one is minimum? 2 is minimum. Which one is minimum? 3. Okay. Now next one. Next one here no dash. So here which one is minimum? 871. Here 89 minimum 1 and 671. 8 and 2. This is dash. Now which one is maximum? This is 3 is a maximum. In third 3 row 9 is the minimum value. Here 30 is there, here 50. So here you can write 30. So for your reference, actually, next page I have handwritten format already. I pasted. This is for your purpose, understanding purpose. I am writing. Okay, little bit it's showing this one. Okay, now 30 you can erase it. Here 50 you can make it. It's a 20. Okay, now this full and full. This full and full. It will go. Erase it. This row full and full. This column full and full. Okay. Now one more thing we need to write. So this is 6 and 10 what? 4 remaining. Next one, 12 and 13, 1 remaining. This is dash. This is 7, 8 what? This is dash. This is 6 and 7, 1. This row 8 and 10, 2. This is dash. So this is a 4 is a maximum. So fourth place 6 is there. Here 35, here also 35. So 35 we can write. So this 35 you can erase it. You can 35 also you can erase it. So over. Now next one, this row, column will be erased. This column also will be erased. Now only two things are 20, 25, here 45. That's all. You can write 20 here. You can write 25 here. So 45 will be cancelled. 25, 20, 45. So total we got. Now what we have to do? First this one, this one we have to take. Yes, you can check. First one, this one we have to take. 6 into 25. Like this we have to take one by one. 6 into 35 plus. So next one 9 into this one. 9 into 30 plus 9 into 30 plus this one 13 into 20. 13 into 20 plus this one 9 into 5. 9 into 5 plus next one 5 into 35. 5 into 35 plus this is 8 into 25. 8 into 25. This if you'll calculate, we will get the answer. Just I'll show you. This is I'll get the answer. The same diagram I mentioned written here. You can reference, you can refer it. You can see This is 1160 we got. So if we'll do calculation, this one everything 6 into 35, 9 into 30, 13 into 20, 9 into 5, 5 into 35, 8 into 25. So while multiplying 210, 270, 260 like this, last 1160. So 1160 we have in the option itself. So 1160 we have option. Okay, like this we need to do in the assignment problem. So sorry, transportation problem. Apart from that, I have given one more sum. Just I will tell you, I'm not going to say full and full sum now. Just this is a for your this practice purpose. I have given 4 to 5 sums also. Okay, I'll show you. This one, if you need, if you want, just I'll post in the WhatsApp group also. This is first sum. While take just you can take screenshot also. This is first sum. Next one, this is the second sum. This one. Next one is this is third sum, and next one, this is fourth sum. Okay, so if it is possible, we can see in the live session also, or we can see in the another class. If you need, just you can tell me in the by this one command box also. Okay, just here I want to say only one thing. If it is not balanced, means what else we have to do? We can check first while starting the sum itself. What I told you, if it is balanced or not, we have to check supply demand. So here 50, 70, 30, 50. What is the value? 120, 150, 200. Here 200 is there. Okay. Here 25, 35, 60, 165, 185 is there. Here 185. So I have to need balance 15. I need to balance. So for this, what I have to do means I'm making table here. After this table, you can make it no problem. The same thing, same which you have got. Already we have seen the same thing. One more column I am going to take. Here you can see, just I am going to make 4, 6, 8, 13. 4, 6, 8, 13. Next one what? 13, 11. 13, 11, 10, 8. Next one 14, 4, 10, 13. Next one 9, 11, 13, 8. So what is the actually 50, 70, 30, 30, 50, 50. One more thing I have need now, 50. Okay. So here 25, 35, 105. So here 20. I need here only 15. I have to add it. So I'm going to do 6, 0, 0, 0 here a dummy column. I'm going to put here 15. Okay. Using this one, if I'll do the same process which you have seen already in the transportation problem, same concept, we will get your answer 1465. Okay, this model we have to practice many sums, because that's why I told given it's a lots of sums. Sure, if it is possible, I'll send you a WhatsApp group also, or we will see in the any session, extra session also, extra videos also I'll post. I hope it is clear. If it is not clear, again I'll tell you. You can join in the WhatsApp group and you can ask any doubts. And the comment section also you can ask any doubts. Sure, I will reply. And apart from that, again I'll tell you, this is the right time for you to read. We have this set exam nearly, and December 2026 net exam also. So I'm going to cover full and full maximum. After covering that portions, everything I'll post in the playlist. It will be better to understand, and we'll see the all videos. Okay, thank you all of you. Thank you once again.